viewers, you're welcome from where you're watching from. I'm Tutor Patrick Divine, that is my name, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe on this channel so that you should be notified whenever I do a lesson. Okay, so like I said, my name is Tutor Patrick Divine. So if you want to get in touch with me, you can contact me on this number here. My number is 2+60 975 334778 0975 334778. That is my WhatsApp number. So we are still doing matrices. And we actually did we did the how to find the order of the matrix. We also did how to find the inverse of the matrix, as well as the determinant, even the adjacent as well. Okay, so today I just want us to do exam questions. So the questions that came in the exam papers. Okay, so the questions that came in the exam paper. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that we should be moving together. All right, so the exam question that came in 2017 is this one. Okay, so this question came in 2017. All right, this was paper 2. So they're asking that given the matrix M is this one, matrix M is this one. Okay, there is 3, there is -2, there is 5, and X. Number 1, question 1, they're asking you to find the value of X for which the determinant of M is 22. Okay, so they have already found the determinant of this one, and we know how to find the determinant. Okay, so they have already found the determinant of this question, of this matrix. So they want you to find the value of what? The value of X. So what you need to know is the formula for the determinant. Then you can substitute the value of X there. So this question, second question, saying hence find the what? The inverse of matrix M. The inverse of M. So they are saying that M, we solve, we say solutions. Okay, so this is marked as question 1. Okay, so question 1, they are saying that M is equal to what? The matrix M is equal to 3, -2, 5, X, like that. All right, and they are saying that the determinant for this one, the determinant which is D, is equal to, they have already found it is what? Is 22. Now they're asking you to find the value of X. So how do we find the value of X? So you need to know the formula for the determinant. What is the formula for the determinant? So in the previous video, we did, and we know how to find the formula for the determinant. So if you didn't watch those previous videos, those previous 2 videos or 2 lessons, make sure that you go back so that we should be moving together, so that you are not left behind. So what is the formula for the determinant? The formula for the determinant, we said that the determinant itself, we defined it as the difference between the major diagonal and the minor diagonal. That is what we said in the previous video. So the difference, the formula for the determinant, we said that determinant is equal to the multiple of the major diagonal, which is 3 times X. So have you seen the difference between X and times like that? Then minus, this is the major diagonal, this is the minor diagonal, so this multiplied by, so this one is what? -2 times what? Times 5, like that. Okay, -2 times 5, like that. So it is, so now they are saying that the determinant is what? Is 22. So we substitute the determinant with 22. So it will be what? 22 is equal to 3 times X, it is what? 3X. Okay, it is 3X. But most people would made the mistake of multiplying this negative times that negative. No, that's a big no. That is wrongly, that is totally wrong. Okay, so what you need is just to put it like this: negative, this one, this negative. Then you firstly deal with what is in the brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction from BODMAS. So deal first with what is in the bracket. Okay, so that is -2. -2 times -2 times +5. Okay, -2 times +5, that is what? -10, like that. -10. Okay, so that is -10, because when we say negative times, this is a positive sign, so negative times positive, it will give you negative. Then 2 times 5, it is going to give you 10. Okay, like that. Then it will be what? 2x is equal to 3x. Negative times negative, it is positive 10, like that. This is just an equation. This is just an equation. All right, so we'll say when this comes this side, it will be what? 2x minus 3x is equal to 10, like that. Is equal to 10. Then what is x here? So x is what? Negative. X is equal to 10, like that. Then over negative 1. Okay, so that is x is equal to 10, like that. X is equal to 10, like that. 10 like that. So this is -10, that is -10. That is how we find the value of x. That is how we find the what? The value of x. All right, then secondly, they're asking us to find the what? The determinant. They are asking us to find the determinant of m, or I mean the inverse of m. Okay, they're asking us to find the inverse of m. So the inverse of m, we write it as, so this is question 2. Okay, this is question 2, like this. So the inverse of m, we write it as like that, the inverse of m. Okay, and you know that the formula is 1 over what? Over determinant in the previous video. That is what we said, multiplied by, or should we put this bracket by the what? The adjacent of what? Of m. Adjacent of m, like that. The adjacent of what? Of m. So it will be m inverse, like that, is equals to 1 over. So most of the people get this, the value of x, and put here, which is the mistake. Okay, which is the mistake. So we need to find what? We need to put the determinant here, not the value of x. We need to put the what? The determinant here. The determinant we were already given. They said that the determinant is equals to what? To 22. So we're supposed to put over 22 here, multiplied by the adjacent of m. The adjacent of m, how do we find it? We said that m is like this. Now the adjacent, that's where this one comes here, then this one comes here. Then these ones, if it was negative, it would be positive. If it was positive, it would be negative. And this one, if it was positive, it would be negative. If it was negative, it would be positive. So it is going to be here, these 3 will come here and x will come here. So don't forget that we've already found the value of what? The value of x. So the value of x is what? Is 10, like that. The value of x is 10. So meaning that here we are going to put 10, since x is going to come here. So we're going to put 10, then 3 will come here. So it will be what? It will be like this. 10, it is -10, like that. Then the 3 come here, like this. So this is what we've done. We just moved negative 10 to here and 3 to here. Then these ones, this one is positive, is negative, so it will become positive. Okay, so it will become what? Positive 2, like that. Then this one is negative, it will come to negative 5, like that. So like that. So this is the inverse of what? Of m. Just like that, just that, as simple as that. So if you didn't watch the previous video, kindly go back so that we move together, so that we do what? We move together. Okay, so let's do one more question. Let's do one more question. The question that came in 2019. So I have the question that came in 2019, and this is the question here. This is the question. So the questions, they are just the same. They're just one and the same. Again, they're just one and the same. They just want to confuse you. Okay, they just want to confuse you. So you've seen here the question is saying that find the value of x. It's just one and the same. Just one and the same. Even here they are asking you to find the inverse of q. It's just one and the same. So here they are saying that the determinant of matrix q is this one, is 8. They have already found the determinant, and this is what will come in your exam as you'll be writing the exam. It will come like this. They'll say that the determinant of matrix q is what? Is they'll put any number. They even say it's 4. Then they'll give you the values, and they will say find the value of x, or find the value of z, find the value of y. They'll put any letter here just to confuse you, since here they have brought x, but they will say the value of y or the value of z, but the determinant they will give you. So just know that these are just free marks. They are just free marks. You can get them as easy as I am going to teach you. So make sure that you understand as I am teaching you this, how to solve this. Okay, make sure that you understand. All right, so make sure that you understand. So here we are going to solve them from here. Okay, so just say we'll make the demarcation here. Okay, make the demarcation from here, then we'll solve it from here. So this is marked as question what? 2. Okay, so they are saying that matrix q is equal to what? Matrix q is 8, then 12, then x minus 4, then this one is what? Is x, like that. As simple as that. Then they're saying that the determinant is what? Is 8. They have already found it. So find the value of x. Find the value of x. So the determinant formula is equals to 8 times x, 8 times x, like that, 8 times x minus 12 times this. So it will be what? 12 times what? We have 12 times x minus 4, like this. So a lot of people will be confused by this. So this one, it is multiplying with everything here. 12 is multiplying with everything here. It is not only multiplying with 4 or just this one. So here when we are saying, if you remember here, we multiplied 3 times this one. So I mean 3, the whole 3 is multiplied with everything, the value of x. So same applies here. They just wanted to confuse you. So this will be multiplied by everything here. So this is just the same as 12, then x minus 4, like that, just that. Then you multiply with every 12 times x, 12 times 4, just like that. Okay, as simple as that. So the determinant, you know that they have given you, it's what? It's 8. You put 8 is equals to 8 times x, that is 8x, like that. Then you are multiplying now. So you put the negative. Okay, you put the negative sign here. So it will be what? 12 times x, that is what? 12x. Okay, then when you're multiplying like something like this, you say 12 times x, it is what? It is 12x. Then there is a positive sign. Positive times negative, you put the negative here. Okay, you put the negative, then you multiply 12 times that one. 12 times 4, like that. So it's just one and the same. So even here you put negative. Okay, you put negative. I know it would have been difficult for you to find these signs, but this is how you find the signs, like that. So then you 12 times 4, that's one and the same as 12 times 4. So 12 times 4, how do you find 12 times 4? They are saying that the 12, they are 4, like this, like that. Then they are 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wrote this. I want to make it simple for you. Okay, let's say they are saying that 12 times 4. So 12 should come 4 times. So 12, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, like that. They want 12 to come 4 times. So let's say when you add this 12 plus 12, 12 plus 12, it's what? It's 24. Because 2 plus 2, that is 4. 1 plus 1, that is 2, like that. So mean that this as well is what? Is 24, like that. Then 4 plus 4, that is 8. 2 plus 2, that is what? That is 4. But you use a calculator in the exam. You can actually punch everything on a calculator. Since you have a calculator, this is paper 2. But I was just making it simple for you. Suppose you have difficulties in doing this. So that is what? The answer here, it is what? It is 48, like that. 48, like that. 48, like that. Then it will be 8 is equal to 8x. So don't forget that this sign is going to multiply with everything inside. So negative times positive 12. So there's a positive sign here. So it will be what? Negative 12x, like that. Then negative times negative, it will be positive 48, like that. Then this becomes an equation. Then you start solving. So this is how you solve. So you are here. These are the like terms here. You can say 8 minus 12. This is 8 minus 12, that is negative 4. 8 minus 12, that is negative 4x. So you say this one will come this side. So you say this one will come this side. So that is 8 minus, when it comes this side, it minus 48 is equals to this one. 8 minus 12 minus 12, it will be what? Negative 4x, like that. So what is 8 minus this one to be negative what? 40, like that, is equal to negative 4x. You want to find the value of x. So negative 4, negative 4. Then this one goes, so it will be x is equals to negative into negative, it is negative, it is positive. 4 into 4, that is 1. So that is what? 10. So the answer for the value of x is what? Is 10, like that. Same applies for the inverse. When you're asked to find the inverse, because we are asked to find what? The inverse of q. So we say q like this, q inverse, like that, is equal to 1 over determinant multiplied by the adjacent of q, like that. So the adjacent of q, you know that this one come this side and this one come this side. So you know that the value of x is positive 10. So mean that positive 10 will be here. So it will be like this. It will be like this. It will be what? It will be like this. Okay, let's do this. So this is what? This is q. Q is like this. So q is, they are saying that 8 So they're saying that here there is what? There is 12, like this. There is 12. Here there is what? There is x. That is what they said here. There is what? There is x here. So we need to replace it. We need to replace x with the value of x that we had found. What was the value of x? So the value of x, we said that is what? The value of x is what? Is 10. So we are going to put 10 here, like that. Then here they said that it is what? X minus 4. Okay, so x minus 4. So meaning that it's 10. The value of x is 10. 10 minus 4, that is what? That is 6. So it will be what? 6 here, like that. So man, this is the matrix Q. This is matrix Q. Okay, so now we need to find the adjective of adjacent of Q. Okay, so this will come here, this will come here. So it will be what? It will be the adjacent of Q. It will be what? It will be this 10 will come here. So it will be 10, then it will be 8 here. Then since they are positives, they will become negative. So it will be negative 12, then negative 6, like that. Okay, so here you say inverse of Q. Inverse of Q is equal to 1 over the determinant. Will say we are told that the determinant is what? Is 8. So put over 8 multiplied by this, like that. As simple as that. 10, negative 12, negative 6, 8, like that. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. From there, just from there, you've gotten your free marks there. So I want us to solve. I want to give you 2 more questions for your practice. Just 2 more questions for your practice. Okay, just 2 more questions for your practice. Just 2 more questions for your practice. So I will say exercise. I will say you can actually write this down. You can write this down. Just this. You can write this down. So they are saying that given that the matrix K is this one, find the determinant of K. Also find the inverse of K. So this, answer this question. Answer this question. So as question 1. Okay? So answer this question as question 1. Question 1 of the exercise. I'm sure you are able to see the question 1, the whole question 1, this question 1, like that. Then for question 2, I'll give you this one. I'll give you this one as question 2. So this one came in 2018. So these are exam questions. So for question 2, solve this one. So they're saying that find the positive value of x for which the determinant of A is this one. So the determinant of this one, they have already given you the determinant of A. So what is the value of x? Then hence you should find what? The inverse of A. As simple as that. So those who are following me very well, make sure that you understand. And those who are doing tuitions with me, make sure that you understand. Make sure that you understand, because you need this. They are coming in your exams. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tutor Patrick Divine. So you can search for me on YouTube as Tutor Patrick Divine, or you can actually subscribe using the same link. So you can even inbox me on WhatsApp or even on a text. Okay, on Facebook you can inbox me. My username is Twitter Patrick Divine. All right, so this is my number on WhatsApp. You can call me. You can give me a direct call. You can WhatsApp me on this line if you want to get in touch with me. Make sure that you subscribe and share the link to others whom you think the link might benefit. Share to as many groups as you think they can benefit from this link of this group. Okay, thank you for watching. Shalom, shalom.